Hello lovely friends, I'm Ben and today we're outside! Yay! Do you see the playground? It's so colorful! For today's video, we're gonna explore the colors in the nature as well. I have a song to sing for you too. It's about the colors. Now you ready? Come closer and sing along. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can see the colors, see the colors, see the colors everywhere. Open up your eyes, look up to the sky and sing everything you see. I can see the colors, see the colors, see the colors everywhere. One more time. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can see the colors, see the colors, see the colors everywhere. Good job, everyone. Now let's get started with our color in nature hunting. It's time to find the colors in the nature. You ready? And now look at this. It's called the colored wheel that I brought with me. And let's get started with finding orange, shall we? Now, can you tell me where is orange? Whoop, whoop. It's here, orange. And look, I think I found one. Orange. And now let's sing. Orange, orange, I see orange. Orange, orange, I see orange. Orange, orange, I see orange. I see the color. You say it. Orange. Yay! Great job. Now let's go find some other colors, shall we? Here we are. Next, we're gonna find this color in the wheel. Can you tell me what color do you see? It's brown. That's right. We're going to find brown in the nature. Let's go. Look! The tree trunk and the dry leaves on the soil. Look! That's brown. That's it. Look at that. It's brown. Brown in the nature. Now let's sing with me. Ready? Brown, brown, I see brown, 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 I see brown. Okay, let's collect this brown piece on the brown bar and clip it so we can have it with us along the way. Ta-da! Great job! You did so well. And now let's go find some other colors again. Are you ready? Yay! What color do you think I should find next? How about this color here? What's that? It's yellow. We're gonna find yellow in the nature. You ready? Come on. Come here. I think we found one. See, it's yellow. Ha! Let's clip the flower back on the wheel. Ready? And let's sing the song together. Yellow, yellow, I see yellow, 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 you see yellow, 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 you see yellow. Tell me, what color do you see? Oh, you're here. Just about time for us to go find another color. Here's the wheel. Now you tell me, what color do you think we should find next? How about this light green over here? Yeah? Great, now follow me.
Green, where is it?
Is it green? No, it's not. It's not even in the nature. Uh-oh. Looky, I think we found the light green on the leaf. Ta-da! Light green. And now it's time to collect that light green leaf on our wheel. Look at it. We found it. So shall we sing a song now? 3, 2, 1. Green, green, we see green, green, green. You see green, green, green. You see green. You see the color? Yes, green. Awesome! Yay! Let's find some more colors in the nature. Let's go! Next color we're gonna find is this purple. That's right. Let's find purple. Ready? Let's go! This way. I think we found it. Look, come closer. Oh, look at that. It's purple. You did a great job. You helped me find purple. And now let's collect a purple flower. Here we go. Ta-da. I think it's time to sing about the purple song. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Purple, purple, I see purple, purple, purple. I see purple, purple, purple. I see purple. Tell me, what color do you see? Purple! Hooray! We found most colors. Let's go find some more colors in the nature. Yay! But why don't we look around? What do you see? The grass is green. It's perfect. Come closer. Oh, the most of it is green. Green. And now we're gonna collect some leaves to put it on the wheel. Here, that's a good one. Let's clip it. Ta-da! Great job! We found another green. I think it's time to get up and find some more colors in the nature. Follow me. You better hurry. Now we're on the color hunting in the nature. You ready? Follow me. Hi there. Now let's find another shade of green on the wheel, which is over here. Let's go. What do you see? Aha, I think this one is perfect for our wheel. Another shade of green. Boop. Here we go. We found another color. We found this leaf, and it's orange and yellow mixed together. Okay, let's collect it on the wheel. You ready? Slowly, and done. Wow. Do you want to sing a song about orange? Here we go. Orange, orange, I see orange, orange, orange. You see orange, orange, orange. You see orange, and we found the color orange. I was just meditating in the nature. And this little tree gives me the shade. Oh, thank you, tree. And I'm just about to go out hunt another color for us. You know what? Look! Come closer. This dry leaf over here looks kind of like beige on the wheel. That is great. And now it's time to collect this piece on the wheel. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna do it over here. Here's use a clipper. And here we go. We found this shade of beige. It's a dried leaf. And now we can sing about it. You ready? Beige, beige, I see beige, beige, beige. You see beige, beige, beige. We see beige, we see the color beige. That was great! All right, let's go somewhere else and find some other colors. Ready?
Get up and go.
Come here. I think we found another shade that we want. So this blue on the wheel looks pretty close to this flower over here. It looks pretty much dark blue mixed with purple. Okay, we should collect it now. You ready? Come on. So the flower is gonna go here, right there. There we are. We found another one. Shall we sing a song about blue? Here we go. Blue, blue, I see blue, blue, blue. You see blue, blue, blue. We see blue, and we found the color blue. Awesome. Now let's go somewhere else and find some more colors. Ready? Jump! Well, next, here is the blue color that we're gonna find. But normally the sky is sunny blue. Today is cloudy, but never mind. Now look at this. Ready? The sky is blue. Wow! See that? Blue sky. It's pretty. Uh-oh, one more color that we're missing. Red. Uh-oh, look, I think it's around here. Come. Well, that is red. Yay! Great job. So red is gonna go right here. Okay, now we're gonna collect that red petal on our wheel. Over here, see? Now, you ready? Clip. It's perfect, red. And now let's sing the song about red. Ready? Red, red, I see red, red, red. You see red, red, red. You see red, and we found the color red. Wow! Yay! There we are. Our mission has completed. Thank you so much for your help. I hope you learned about colors in the nature and find your time to come outside and find the colors in the nature like me. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!